Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel Food Facts for you. Today, we're diving deep into the sizzle and pop of frying. You know, those bubbly moments when you drop something in hot, shimmering oil. But hold on, have you ever wondered what's really going on in that frying pan? When you're at your stovetop, ready to fry up some classic favorites like fries, or perhaps indulging in the crispy delight of fried chicken, you might notice an intriguing phenomenon as you lower them into the hot oil, a flurry of tiny bubbles appearing out of nowhere. But what's really going on with these bubbly companions? Let's explore the science behind this culinary spectacle. As your food meets the intense heat of the oil, a fascinating transformation occurs. The moisture naturally present in the food starts to react. This moisture, in the form of water, begins to heat up rapidly, eventually reaching its boiling point. At this critical temperature, the water transforms into steam, wanting to escape from its confinement within the food. Here's where the magic happens. As the steam tries to make its getaway, it pushes its way through the food, creating tiny pockets of air within it. These pockets of steam then rush to the surface, forming those delightful bubbles that dance and sizzle in the oil. Essentially, what you're witnessing is the visual manifestation of water turning into steam and trying to escape, resulting in those mesmerizing bubbles. This process occurs due to a scientific principle known as vaporization. The heat causes the liquid water molecules within the food to gain enough energy to transition into a gaseous state, forming steam. As the steam pushes upward, it creates these tiny bubbles that rise to the surface, giving your frying food that lively, bubbling appearance. Moreover, the composition of the food itself influences the bubbling. Foods with higher moisture content tend to produce more bubbles as the water within them vaporizes more rapidly. So, the next time you're cooking and witness this bubbling spectacle, know that it's the result of water turning into steam due to the intense heat of the oil. It's a simple, yet intriguing scientific process, adding a touch of wonder to the art of frying in your kitchen. But wait, there's more. How much of that oily goodness sneaks into your food? It's a common question because let's face it, we want to enjoy the crunch without worrying too much about the oil content, right? Here's the scoop. The amount of oil your food absorbs during frying can vary based on a few things. Temperature plays a big role. If the oil isn't hot enough, your food might soak up more oil, making it greasier. Usually, when things are fried at the right temperature, around 350°F, your food won't turn into an oil sponge. Generally speaking, about 15 to 25% of the oil you use in frying can end up in your food. So, it's there, but it's not like you're eating a swimming pool's worth of oil with every bite. Now, the million-dollar question: is an air fryer the superhero we've been waiting for, swooping in to save us from the guilt of fried food? Air fryers have been hailed as a healthier alternative because they use a fraction of the oil. Seriously, it's like a tiny tornado of hot air crisping up your goodies. The results can be surprisingly similar to traditional frying, with that satisfying crunch, but with significantly less oil. You can cut down the oil content by 70 to 80% compared to deep frying. It's like a magic trick, but for your diet. Air fryers aren't perfect sorcerers. They might not give you that exact deep-fried texture, and some foods might dry out a tad quicker. However, they're pretty darn close, and for the health-conscious foodie, they're a game-changer. Plus, cleaning up after air frying is a breeze compared to the greasy aftermath of traditional frying. Easy peasy. That was it for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our food-loving community. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and keep that appetite going. Bye.